going to bring in Market Rebellion co-founder John Najarian. John, to say you had an opinion on this would be a mild understatement. Folks, do you see this board here? What the hell?
Yeah.
What's going on? I mean, this kind of moved you a little bit.
It did, because I do respect Dr. Burry, just like you do, Charles. Even though none of us are right all the time, I'll take the arrows when I deserve them, just like Dr. Burry does. But in this case, what he did was he bought a lot of puts. 50,000 puts in the case of Palantir. That controls 5 million shares. And he bought 10,000 puts in the case of NVIDIA. That controls 1 million shares. So both of those big put purchases are something that, yeah, people like me pay attention to. But these were declared in his Q3, which was back in September 30th. He didn't have to disclose this information until November 15th. So why would he go early, Charles? Because he's underwater on all the trades.
Right, he's getting hammered on these, and the clock is ticking. And
yeah.
I mean, you point this out, right? These are some big-time numbers you're talking about here. And to get back to where he needs to be, I don't think he's there from yesterday's pullback.
No, and on the lows today for Palantir, for instance, it got to basically where it closed September 30th. So in other words, there's no way he's up money in that trade because you've also got time decay.
Right.
Theta always hurts the option buyer, and I'm frequently an option buyer. I know it very well, but that shrinkage, as George Costanza would say, is not good for the option buyer. You need movement, and that's why he came out with this decree early.
Well, and Alex Karp was pretty pissed off too, so
yeah.
Hopefully we'll hear from him soon. A bullish call spread on next gen energy. What is a bullish call spread?
Well, so somebody bought the at-the-money call and sold a call above the market in next gen. What do? It's a uranium player. They pull it out of the ground up in Canada. I'm talking to a lot of U.S. uranium companies too, but this one, when we saw the unusual activity, we jumped on NXE.
All right, a bullish call roll for Bank of America. What's the difference?
Well, somebody was right, and I love following people that are right, especially if they're still with that hot hand. And they rolled up from a lower level to $3 or $4 higher in Bank America. It hasn't worked for them yet, but they just rolled yesterday, so they've got a lot of time to be right, Charles.
You like AMD? It's already made a bounce off the morning lows already, but you like it higher here? Would you? And people watching, would it be a good play for calls?
I think so. I mean, AMD's doing almost everything right. Watch Qualcomm after the bell tonight. They're, I think, coming out with their earnings. They're going to compete with AMD, Intel, and NVIDIA for the data center chips. Right. And I think AMD is in a great position because they're not trading at the same multiple, for instance, as NVIDIA. Another stock that I own and love, but I like the multiple on this one better than NVIDIA.
I got you. Great stuff, my man.
Oh, you're the best.
I appreciate
Thank
you.
you,
I love how you leaped in there.
All right.